Hello guys, number 85, Riddler's Challenge. Oops, I'm trying to zoom it just right
This one
size.
finally we can solve.
Yes, finally we can solve this son of a bitch in Riddler's puzzle.
Okay, so you plant the explosive on all the question marks.
You plant the explosives on all the question marks if you can.
And then press the L1 button.
L1 button press if you can't hear us.
And then press the R2 button.
Then press the R2 button. And here, we didn't solve it.
Oh, here it is.
Oh, I'm sorry, the camera has gone a little bit crazy and wild. Oh, I'm sorry, because I'm not watching what I'm typing, I'm videoing without seeing. Oh, this is crazy. Oh, yes, I hope that I videoed that. Here, you have this.
You have to plant.
You have to plant.
Here.
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 Here. And
here.
Here.
Then you have to do this.
Then you have to do this. This. Are you ready?
Wait a minute. I just have to try something.
Wait a second, we just have to try something.
Out.
Out.
Okay.
So,
look at this.
look at this. Oh yeah, we finally figured out.
Look at this tea bag.
Oh yeah, next gen tea bag. Oh yeah.
Look at me.
Oh, I hope this was a helpful video for you because we finally.
Don't interrupt. I'm over. Goodbye.
Because we finally solved one of.
God, this is retarded.